Just 6 more days until we're done with the Mechanical Keyboards Switch Advent Calendar. Let's open door 18 and see what's inside. What's the sketchiest button combo on a computer keyboard? Shift T. Today's Switch is one that I've never heard of, a Durock Koala with a 67-gram spring. This is a tactile switch and PCB mounted. It's a nice little color combo. Has a nice feeling to it. It's smooth. All right, let's see how this Koala does inside of a board. All right, there's the Durock Koala. This actually is a switch I really like, the sound and feel of it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hit that subscribe and notification bell icon, and I will see you for tomorrow's Switch review.